Hello and welcome back to our series all about Swift. Today we're going to take a look at the next step along in our coding journey together, and we're going to look at some functions and also some loops. So here we are back in Swift Playgrounds. We're still using Hello Byte, and as you can see, since our last video, things have got a little bit more complicated. We've got a few more features on the screen. We can see some additional gems, more than just one or two, and also some portals. But let's start off by choosing a new character. We used Little Blue last time. There's Byte in the middle, but I think I'm going to go for Hopper this time with his cool backpack. So this puzzle is all about writing a function or building a function, and a function simplifies the process of writing code, because after you've written your function to perform a bigger, more complex task, you no longer have to think about the individual commands. You can just look for the patterns and write the simple function that can be repeated again and again and again. So let's start by building my function here. I can see a bit of a pattern on the right hand side with my gems, and it's in an L shape, so I'm going to call it collect gem L shape. And in my function body down here, I'm just going to write the commands to execute that move on the screen. So I'm going to move forward and turn left, then move forward again, and then move forward again. And then I think I need to collect the gem. And then to reset myself and realign myself, I'm going to make a right turn, and that should get me facing the right hand side of the screen there. So that's my function, collect gem shape L. Let's run it and see if it works. So currently there's nothing in my code until I actually type collect gem L shape, which is the name of my function. So my code currently only has one line of script to it. The function itself is standalone. And I can see it's done what I wanted it to do. I predicted the movements. Now I can just see that L-shaped pattern repeating again. So to simplify things, instead of typing collect gem L shape, collect gem L shape, I'm actually going to build it into a loop. So I've done a little bit of counting, I've done a little bit of working out, so I know it needs to happen 5 times, and for this I'm going to use something called a for loop, and that basically just means it's going to repeat it for the specified number of times. So for anything that happens between 1 and 5, it's going to collect gem L shape. This is really nice for the kids because you can talk about efficiency of code and efficiency of instructions and commands. So actually, there's only a couple of lines of text to complete this entire puzzle. If you'd like to find out more, click subscribe and also turn on notifications so you're up to date with everything that we're doing on YouTube. And don't forget to check us out on Twitter @DLT Hartlepool for the latest, and also to get in touch.